For that, I show you some stuff on this box. Let's pick up on the floor. That's how we do a proper video. So, okay, so we did autofocus, Star Wars, Force Awakens. Yeah, so this is Star Wars, Force Awakens. Topper, we get Chewbacca. The first order Stormtrooper, Chewbacca. C-3PO. BB-8. BB-8 is from the new movie. First order Stormtrooper is, so let's say they rename it, so from new movie, Chewbacca O, C-3PO O. But these two, okay, they are also in the Force Awakens. And Chewbacca is Han Solo's partner. So yeah, and then Kai is the dad. No, Kai is the son of Han Solo. And then this guy must be a good guy because once first order Stormtrooper joined the light side, so he become good. So yeah, so that's it. We can throw it on the floor. See about everything get behind. So okay. So there's some. So this is what we get inside. C-3PO. So I get inside. And so this is what we get inside also. So this is another one. When getting Madagascar, I have watched a movie. It's super cool. It's Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Also watch it already. This. We get some spinning stuff. So we are not gonna open all these, man. This is like, so whatever age you are, you get it. And so this is also my early Christmas video I was doing. So which on Merry Christmas in Singapore we just had Christmas. Yeah, so this, I'm gonna show you some bit of Hot Wheels. Winner M3 Racing. Okay. Luca, it rolls. 24 hours, it rolls. And then a Megamind. Okay, the old one. Show you, and this. That's basic Nerf gun. We come with 2 darts of that. See, there also got another dart. And the Hot Wheels, and the Hot Wheels. That's it. But we're not talking about all this stuff. Today we are talking about this. Trains. So let's go. Before that, we go inside this. Or this, we're talking about soccer start. We're going to trains. So as you can see, these trains are all trains. Okay. This is a bit blur for you. There we go. So all these trains, so I get the Dino series. Wait, let me show you. This is the Robot series. Robo. And this is the Dino. Hero. Okay. This is Spooky. Racers. And this is Neon. This Chunny. And this is the old school. So I got one for the racers. So is it? This guy, the racers. I'm hoping to get this guy again from this series. Superhero series. Okay, DC superheroes. Oh no, DC super fans. So DC super fans. And this guy is the villain. I know this Joker. Wait, where is my hand? Yeah, Joker's partner. Some green customer guy, the villain. This was a villain. I know this is Robin, Superman, Batman, the Flash. Name me in their trains. Superman, Flash, Robin, Batman. Okay, where's Batman? Yeah, Batman. So you can see, this is also even rarer. Okay, can say so. But you're like, yeah, this is more cool. But this is more cool. This is exclusive for this packet. You buy other packet, you tell me there's so many trains in the whole entire world. So let's say you buy season 2, series 5. No, this only series whatever. This one. Okay, so that's it. That's it. So then, there we go. There we go. This. Can you see? Wait, give me some auto. Okay, here. To this. Whatever is in the Belgium. That's the old Arsenal captain. Okay, is it really Arsenal captain? No, he's not Arsenal captain. Okay, so Arsenal players not playing Arsenal kind of Barcelona. Walcott, England player still playing for Arsenal. David De Gea, same player still currently playing for Manchester United, my favorite team. So yeah, never take Etihad. Okay, so it's the not say the worst airplane, but But I have to say, I'm about Etihad. If you are like a diehard soccer fan, you're like, ooh, and then you like, other teams like, boo, boo, boo. Etihad? No way. Think about it. Think about second thoughts, man. You tell me Etihad is not boo, I thought, maybe you are getting, maybe because you are not that much like me, who's a big soccer fan. So, and biased to club. So I'm gonna open up. Like that. Hot Wheel what second type by anyone? Little bit, over a little bit, stuff like that. We don't talk. Let's get to everything and we're gonna open it. So let's see, we call red money, right? The luck pack. Red Devils, man. See red? Red. So let's open up. What's that? I'm gonna put my camera here. Some stuff. There we go. It does. Get the QR code if you like. And QR code now, you can scan it for free. So here there's the opening tank thing here. But we'll not tell, we'll make it nice and sweet. Okay, so this is tearing a bit. Let me just tie it properly first. Wait, let me just do the cutting. There we go. Inside. Nice short and sweet. Okay. There's a small opening here for you to open stuff. So let's see. So now I need to move it backwards a bit more. Okay, wait. Stop. So you can see. So right now I'm gonna pour everything. We have the instruction sheet first. Go with the instruction sheet. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So these are the old instruction sheet. In the video, you'll see me do soccer start. Okay, so here. And so then we use the soccer. Give me a minute. Okay. I will need that. I'll show you. Here. So you can see. Chelsea player. Here moved to Arsenal. Only John Terry stays in Chelsea. Yamata moved to Man U already. Tennessee moved to Liverpool. And Laporte moved to US team. Torres moved to a Spanish team, I think. Ashiko moved to a Italy team. Like Roma. I'm not sure, he moved to Roma. Okay, so yes, you can see what's up. So this team, everybody is not playing. But how many if I'm wrong? Okay, tell me which player playing. No. And this thing. Man U, man. So we got Richard Evra really moved, and we got also Will Finance really resigned from playing soccer. Ryan Giggs is our manager, Saho as the manager. Ashley Young is playing when he's playing. Nani already moved. Vidic already moved. David De Gea is playing. So all this guy already moved to Roma. Remember, see already moved to Man U, now moved already. Walcott still playing. Alex Song, no more. Jack will say Walcott. Okay, and that's it. So we'll move on to see what set there we get. Okay, of course, my fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm hoping I get someone that I really want. Fingers crossed. Really. Hope I get that I really want. Okay, so we open up. We thought, man, no repeats, man, no repeats. I'm gonna kill myself for a week. Nani! Whoa, you can see, right? Nani, right? I hope people paying money. Give me a Nani, man. So, focus again. Can't really see his name. Come here. Wait, let me off some light. The light is blocking a bit. Give me some autofocus. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, that's it. Okay, well, I will just have to figure out this. Give me a minute or so. So we got Nani. You forgot about the thing, autofocus stuff. So yeah, so now Nani, you can see him. The name is a bit blur, but you can see. So number 17, he's Nani, and so there we go. Nani. Okay, number 17. Okay, so now we can leave out our soccer stats. Walcott. Okay, luckily I buy this from the Chelsea, Liverpool, Arsenal pack. So 2 Arsenal players, 2 Man U players. You can make into a team. And Nani, I think is a striker or something. I really don't know their position, but I know that he's a goal kid. So hopefully, I name him. He can be next to the here. So defender. My Walcott, I want him to score more goals because he's from England. Right? So forward. And then midfielder. Tell me if I'm wrong or somehow about their roles and position. So that's it. Hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. See ya. And Merry Christmas.